Welcome to Plemont Headland and Plemont Bay in Jersey, the largest of the Channel Islands. In April 2022, two large 4-meter tall and 6-meter wide woven puffin sculptures were unveiled on the headland at Plemont, commissioned by the National Trust for Jersey and the Birds on the Edge project. These artworks aim to raise awareness about the declining puffin population on the island. The sculptures depict two puffins facing each other with their bills touching, a behavior known as billing, which signifies recognition and partnership between breeding pairs. Constructed with an internal steel framework and an exterior of woven willow, the sculptures are designed to last for approximately 2 to 3 years, with maintenance as needed, although, as you can see here, they weathered the last 3 years exceptionally well. A woven egg was added between the two puffin sculptures in October 2022, symbolizing hope for the species' future on the island. Unfortunately, the egg has since been removed. The Atlantic puffin is a distinctive seabird known for its colorful beak and striking plumage. Historically, Jersey's coastline, particularly between Plemont and Grève de l'Est, supported a thriving population of these birds. In the early 20th century, estimates suggest that around 300 pairs bred on the island. However, recent observations indicate a drastic decline, with only 4 pairs remaining here from March to July. The decline is attributed to factors such as invasive predators like feral ferrets and rats, as well as human disturbances during the nesting season. The situation for Jersey's puffins is critical, with the species facing potential local extinction if immediate and sustained conservation actions are not taken. The combined efforts of environmental organizations, government bodies, and the local community are essential to safeguard the future of these iconic seabirds on the island. The Birds on the Edge Partnership has submitted plans to establish a seabird reserve at Plemont. This £5 million project aims to create a predator-free environment by installing specialized fencing to exclude invasive species, thereby providing a safe breeding ground for puffins and other seabirds. Visitors can view these sculptures by traveling to Plemont Headland, accessible via the number 8 or number 9 bus routes or by car, with parking available along La Rue de Petit Plemont. The site also offers the opportunity to explore the Seabird Trail, a 2.7 kilometers walk featuring breathtaking coastal views and chances to observe native seabird species. These sculptures serve as a poignant reminder of the challenges faced by Jersey's puffin population and the importance of ongoing conservation efforts to protect and preserve these cherished seabirds. A short cliff path walk down from the Giant Puffins stand the Plemont Fort ruins and World War II German bunker. This captivating site is not only an archaeological treasure, but also serves as a striking reminder of the island's tumultuous history during World War II. Built in the late 19th century, the fort was initially constructed to defend against potential invasions, but later played a crucial role during the German occupation of Jersey. Visitors to the ruins can explore the remnants of the fort, including the eerie World War II bunker, which offers insight into the strategic military importance of this coastal location. As you wander through the ruins, take a moment to appreciate the breathtaking views of the surrounding cliffs and the shimmering waters of the English Channel. The rugged coastline provides a stunning backdrop, making it an ideal spot for photography enthusiasts. The site is relatively quiet, allowing for an immersive experience where you can reflect on the historical significance of this landmark. The Plemont Fort ruins are accessible year-round, making it a perfect stop for a day of sightseeing. Whether you're a history buff or simply looking for a unique spot to unwind, this landmark promises to leave a lasting impression. Finally, we take the steps down to Plemont Bay, one of Jersey's most breathtaking beaches. Nestled on the island's rugged northwest coastline, this stunning beach is a favorite for those seeking dramatic scenery, golden sands, and a sense of adventure. As we look across Plemont Bay, it's easy to see why it's considered one of the most picturesque spots on the island. The steep cliffs frame the beach below, and on a clear day, you might even catch a glimpse of the other Channel Islands or the French coast in the distance. At low tide, the bay reveals a vast stretch of soft golden sand, perfect for relaxing, playing, or exploring. However, at high tide, this entire beach disappears beneath the waves, so it's always best to check the tide times before visiting. As the sun begins to dip toward the horizon, the golden sands of Plemont Bay take on a warm, amber glow. Standing barefoot on the cool, damp sand, you can feel the last traces of warmth from the day's sun beneath your feet. The Atlantic Ocean stretches out before us, with its ever-changing colors, from deep blue on a calm day to dramatic whitecaps when the winds pick up. Whilst Plemont Bay isn't as famous as St. Juan's Bay for surfing, it does occasionally get good waves for experienced surfers and bodyboarders. The currents here can be strong, so caution is always advised. Lifeguards are on duty daily from the 24th of May to the 14th of September. Remember, no flags, no lifeguards. Along the shore, you'll also find fascinating rock pools teeming with marine life. From tiny crabs scuttling under rocks to colorful anemones swaying in the water, these pools are a miniature world of ocean biodiversity. It's a great place for families to explore, and kids will love discovering the creatures hiding beneath the surface. Another natural wonder is the small waterfall cascading down from the cliffs, a picturesque sight that only adds to the bay's wild beauty. Now, let's venture into one of Plemont's famous sea caves. These natural formations have been carved over thousands of years by the relentless power of the sea. Some of the caves are quite deep, and stepping inside feels like entering another world. The sound of dripping water, the cool air, and the echoes of the waves crashing outside create an almost mystical atmosphere. These caves should only be explored when the tide is safely out, as the water can return surprisingly quickly and there is no alternative way out. Note the link on the bottom left of your screen for tide information. Looking outward, the waterfall forms a shimmering curtain, catching the light as it tumbles down from above. The sound of the water hitting the rocks creates a calming, almost meditative atmosphere, while the cool mist in the air adds to the cave's otherworldly feel. It's a moment of pure tranquility, hidden away from the outside world, yet still connected to the vast ocean beyond. Before exploring inside, it's important to wear the right footwear. The cave floor can be uneven, slippery, and covered in small, sharp rocks, Sturdy water shoes or grippy hiking sandals are ideal, offering protection and stability on the wet surfaces. Flip-flops and bare feet are definitely not recommended. One of Plemont's most striking features is its rocky coastline. Towering cliffs rise dramatically from the shore, their rugged faces shaped by centuries of wind and crashing waves. Layers of rock, exposed by the forces of erosion, tell a silent story of time, while patches of greenery cling to crevices, defying the elements. For a moment, it's as if time slows down, just the sound of the sea and the feeling of utter peace. It's a perfect end to the day, a reminder of why Plemont Bay is one of Jersey's most treasured coastal spots. Plemont is a place where nature, history, and adventure come together. Whether you're here to soak up the scenery, explore the caves, or simply enjoy the coastline, it's a destination that leaves a lasting impression. After a day of exploring, there's no better place to unwind than the Plemont Cafe, perched right at the top of the cliffs. Here, you can enjoy a delicious meal, a cup of coffee, or a Jersey ice cream while taking in the spectacular view. It's the perfect spot to watch the sun set over the Atlantic, casting a golden glow over the bay. If you've enjoyed this journey through Plemont, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures around Jersey and beyond. Thanks for watching.